All right, we're at week 8, the final week, and this week is a one pot meal, which I love because less dishes. You can throw all of it in and then you'll get your protein, your starch, and your veggies all in one stop. The sauce that I make is based with a amino acid or Bragg's liquid aminos. You've seen this already in the challenge in our very first recipe of the week, and so I kind of want to talk about why I use Bragg's liquid aminos over soy sauce. The soy sauce has sodium, MSG, and soy, where the Bragg's liquid aminos doesn't have any of those ingredients in it, which makes it far superior to soy sauce. To make it even better, it also includes 17 amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein and help with recovery within our body, so it makes it far superior to use the Bragg's liquid aminos over soy sauce in any of your meals. If you are going to replace the soy sauce with aminos in another recipe that you might have, I tend to double it, as the Bragg's liquid aminos is a little bit milder than regular soy sauce. I hope you had an awesome time in this challenge, and I look forward to the weigh-ins to see all the results.